Hey there, curious minds. Welcome back to another deep dive into the mysteries of life and beyond. Today, we're diving into a topic that's both fascinating and inevitable. What happens when you die? According to modern science, it's a subject that has intrigued humanity for centuries, and with today's advancements, we have more insights than ever before. First off, let's clear the air. Death isn't just an on-off switch. It's not like flipping a light switch where everything just stops instantly. It's more like a complex process, a series of events that unfold in a specific order. When your heart stops beating, blood flow to your brain halts, causing brain cells to start dying off. This is called clinical death, but clinical death isn't the end of the story. But guess what? Your body still has a few tricks up its sleeve. Even after clinical death, your body continues to undergo several fascinating processes. Within minutes, a process known as autolysis kicks in. This is where your cells start to break down. Cells break down, releasing enzymes that start digesting surrounding tissues. It's a bit like your body is beginning its own internal recycling program. It's like your body's own cleanup crew working tirelessly to break down and recycle what it can. But it doesn't stop there. The journey continues with more stages that are equally intriguing. Ever heard of rigor mortis? This is another key stage in the process. That's when your muscles stiffen due to chemical changes in the muscle fibers. It's a natural part of the process. It usually kicks in around 6 hours post-death and can last up to 72 hours. During this time, your body undergoes significant changes, kind of like a final flex. It's a fascinating glimpse into the body's post-mortem activities. Now let's talk about the big picture, decomposition. This is where the body truly begins to return to nature. Bacteria and microorganisms break down tissues, releasing gases that cause that unpleasant odor. It's a natural part of the cycle. This process can take weeks to months, depending on conditions like temperature and humidity. The environment plays a huge role in how quickly decomposition occurs. It's nature's way of recycling, really. Everything returns to the earth, contributing to the cycle of life. But hold on, modern science isn't just about observing what happens, it's also about intervening. Scientists are constantly exploring new ways to understand and even alter these processes. Cryonics, for instance, is the practice of freezing bodies in hopes that future technology can revive them. It's a field filled with both promise and controversy. It's controversial and unproven, but hey, it's an interesting concept. Imagine a future where death is just a temporary state. And what about the digital age? Technology is changing how we think about death and remembrance. More and more people are opting for digital memorials and even having their social media managed posthumously. It's a new frontier in how we deal with loss. It's a new way of keeping memories alive long after the physical body is gone. Digital legacies are becoming an integral part of our lives. So, what happens when you die? It's a question that leads to many answers, each more intriguing than the last. Your body goes through a series of fascinating changes, each step playing its part in the cycle of life. From clinical death to decomposition, every stage has its own story to tell. And who knows, with advancements in science and technology, the concept of death might evolve in ways we can't even imagine. Thanks for tuning in. The future holds endless possibilities. If you found this video enlightening, hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-bending insights. Your curiosity fuels our journey. Until next time, stay curious, keep questioning, keep exploring, and never stop learning.